The 2013 Mitsubishi Evo X stealth fighter by Schwabenfolia. While the fate of the 11th generation Mitsubishi Lancer is still uncertain, the current Evo X is still getting lots of attention from tuners. The latest upgrade kit has been announced by Schwabenfolia, who did not only transform the look of the sedan, but also managed to obtain a power increase of 95 horsepower. In order to obtain this result, the tuner has installed a new turbo exhaust system from Invidia. It helps increasing the engine's output level up from the standard 295 horsepower to 390 horsepower and a peak torque of 383 pound-feet. For the painting process, the tuner started with a plain white car. For the front grille frames, the air intake of the bonnet and the sides of the rear spoiler, the tuner used a very nice toxic orange metallic. The rest of the car features a very cool black brushed steel. The car sits on a set of 18-inch Yamato wheels also painted in orange.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.